she basically said, I don't like when I'm talking with a man and I'm not his top connection. And I was like, okay. I'm like, but I'm not your top connection. And she said, Bello, you and I both know that you don't care if you're my top connection. You're going to pursue what you want. I want whoever likes me for me to be their top connection. So I'm sitting here thinking to myself, like, okay, so you want me to chase, and there's nothing wrong with that as a man. Again, I am like, I'm a hunter. I'm always a hunter. I'm always the man who is pursuing.
What would your animal sound be? How would you growl?
You know what? You know what? I think there's two ways to approach it, right? There's you could be the jaguar that's quiet, and the prey doesn't even know that you're pouncing on it, or you could be loud and roar like a lion. And I am not loud. Might not look loud right now. I might look loud right now.
Might look loud.
But I'm more of a silent, like, I'm a quiet, confident person, right? I'm not a person that has to be out there. I don't got to beat my chest. I ain't got to roar. I snatch.
And that's what and now